Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Clash Royale account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game on your device and then wait until the game is fully loaded. Once it is loaded, you will be taken into your home page, which is the battle screen by default. Now from this page, you will be able to find the menu button at the top right corner underneath your gems. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now from this page you will find the settings option. Just tap on settings and then you will end up on the settings page. Now from this page, just tap on more settings, and then from more settings you can simply find the delete my account option. If you tap on this button, you will be asked whether you want to delete your data completely. Now if you really want to delete your account, you can simply tap on delete my data, and this will proceed with deleting your game account. You might be asked one final time for confirmation before your account is fully deleted. So make sure you choose wisely and only continue with this process if you are 100% sure that you want to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your game account on Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.